Welcome back to my stand-up channel. A mother in South Africa has smashed the record the number of babies born from a single pregnancy as she gave birth to 7 boys and 3 girls, and they were all conceived naturally. According to reports, a woman has set a world record by reportedly giving birth to 10 babies all at once. The 37-year-old from South Africa gave birth to decuplets at a hospital in the city of Pretoria on June. Goshame Thamara Sithole is believed to have given birth to the 7 boys and 3 girls, who were conceived naturally, through C-section and at 29 weeks. She has now broken the record set by Halima Cissé of Mali, who gave birth to 9 babies at a hospital in Morocco in May. The new record came as a surprise to Goshame, as doctors had initially told her she was expecting 6 children before later scans incorrectly revised the figure up to 8. The mother, who originally hails from the township of Thembisa in the city of Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality, is a retail store manager who already has 2 twins aged 6. Earlier in the year she had revealed her pregnancy was initially tough and she had been sick and experienced leg pain and heartburn. She had also expressed worry that her unborn children would not survive the high-risk pregnancy. However, all were born alive and will spend the next few months in incubators before she and her husband, Teboho Sotetsi, can take them home. Teboho described himself as happy and emotional following the birth. Goshame beat the record from Halima Cissé, 25, from Mali, who gave birth to 9 children last month. She had been thought to be carrying septuplets all the way through her pregnancy, but doctors were shocked to find 2 more children when they performed a C-section. All babies, 5 girls and 4 boys, were at the time of birth said to be doing well. Ms. Cissé, who had already had a child with her husband Adjudant Kader Arbi, was flown to Morocco in March for specialist care after the Malian government intervened in her rare case. Mr. Arbi told the BBC at the time he didn't fear bringing up so many babies at once. God gave us these children. He is the one to decide what will happen to them. I'm not worried about that. When the Almighty does something, He knows why. The family said they were grateful for the incredible support, which also saw the Malian authorities calling to express their joy. I thank them. Even the president called me, Mr. Arbi said. Source: mirror.co.uk. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.